Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video tutorial, I'll take you through how to add multiple email accounts in your Gmail app. So if you have an additional Gmail account or other email addresses you want to add in your Gmail app, I'll show you how to do it. And then also I'll take you through how to delete these email accounts from your Gmail app. So the first thing I'll do is to open the Gmail app. I'll tap the got it, and then from here you will see the original email account, which is the Gmail account in there. I'll tap the add another account and tap Google because I want to add an additional Google email address or email account. I'll go ahead and then type the Gmail account. Once I type it, I'll tap on the next, and then I'll type the password for that Gmail account and then tap next to continue. I'll tap agree and then I'll tap not now. I don't want to save it now, and then tap I agree to accept the Google Terms and Services agreement. Once that is done, we'll go through that process, and then you should have your. So there we see it, the additional email account, the Gmail account added. And I'll tap the take me to Gmail, and then I'll tap don't allow. I'll clear that. Then you are now looking at the original Gmail account emails. So switch over, you tap on the account icon on the top right hand side, and then I'll select the new email or the Gmail account we just added, and then we are viewing the emails, the new Gmail accounts we just added onto this phone's Gmail app. So that is how to add another Gmail account onto your Gmail app. So what if you want to add an entirely different email address which is not a Gmail account? So you tap on the three dots, tap on the settings, and then I'll tap add account. In this case, I'll tap the other, which is the last option there. Once you tap on it, type the email account, the email address you want to add, type it, and I'll select personal. It's a POP3 account, so I'll select POP3 in brackets pop or personal in brackets POP3, sorry, to continue. Once that is done, I'll type the password, and you should see the outgoing mail server, the SMTP server. Try and change it to mail.yourdomain.com. Do the same for incoming mail server, and then tap next. Over here you can change the sync frequency to 15 minutes, you can change it to 30 minutes, you can change it to every hour. This is how long it will take for the app to check for new emails. You can also put it on never. You can select never so that it doesn't check for new emails. Once that is done, tap next, and then go ahead and then type your name. You can type your full name, which will show on your sent items, the mails that you send. So once that is done, you will see the new email address added as one of the email accounts in the Gmail app. You can as well switch over to the new email address we just added or the email account added by tapping on the account icon and then selecting the email address we added. So we are now viewing the emails in the accounts we just added, which is different from the Gmail accounts. So how about when you want to delete these accounts? You tap on settings and then tap manage accounts. Once you tap on manage accounts, select the account you want to remove and then tap the remove account. Go ahead and then tap remove account again, and then the account should be removed. I'll delete the other one as well. Remove accounts, and then the account should be completely removed with all the emails that were downloaded onto your phone. So now you can see that the original email account, the original Gmail account is what is left. So yes, guys, kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to help us bring you more videos. Click on the like button if this was helpful. Share this video, and then I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.